So today on Kissa Reviews, we're joined by a woman whose presence on screen feels deeply familiar and profoundly real. In case number 9, Hina Bayal brings Shahina to life as Seher's mother, a character navigating fear, grief, social pressure, and slowly an unexpected strength. Shahina's journey is not loud or performative. It unfolds in silences, in restraint, and in the courage it takes to show up for your child when the world is watching. Through her performance, Hina Bayat gives us a portrait of motherhood that feels honest, evolving, and deeply rooted in our social reality. We're honored to speak with her today about Shahina's arc, the responsibility of telling stories like case number 9, and what it means to portray strength that grows quietly but firmly. Welcome to Kissa, Hina Bayat.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, and thank you for having me on your show and actually being able to talk about something which means a lot to me as well.
Thank you. So we'll start with the one very basic question that Shahina was a mother who was first overwhelmed with fear. वो डरी हुई थी, सहमी हुई थी, and then there was growth and there was journey in that whole narrative. So when this role came to you, how did you understand this emotional journey?
I think when the role came to me, I thought back to the many women that unfortunately I've worked with. Because many years ago, before I forayed into acting, I was a talk show host and I used to do a program and I was a journalist. And I came across a lot of stories of women who have been survivors, because that's what I'd like to call them. उन औरतों ने बहुत कुछ सहा है और सिर्फ एक दफा नहीं सहा है, बार बार सहा है. क्योंकि अगर वो किसी को भी कहती हैं, अगर वो अपने घर में भी किसी से बात करती हैं, तो अमूमन आप उंगली उसी पर उठाते हैं. The victim blaming, victim shaming. I think there was a very meaningful line that Sama delivered. अगर आज अम्मी आपका कोई पर्स छीन कर भाग जाए या कोई आपका मोबाइल छीन ले साथ या आपकी गाड़ी कोई ले दे, तो आप उसको एक जुर्म के तौर पर पुलिस में रिपोर्ट करवाइए. तो कोई आपको ब्लेम नहीं करेगा कि सड़क पर क्यों खड़ी थी या गाड़ी में क्यों जा रहे थे या फोन पर क्यों बात कर रहे थे. So I think I had seen a lot of women up close and personal. I had dealt with their stories. I had tried to help them in any way I could. And my mother used to be a member of Women Action Forum and War Against Rape. So I think मैंने बहुत छोटी उम्र से इन चीजों को देखा था और मुझे पता था कि ये एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज है और ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है जो लोगों तक जानी चाहिए. उन औरतों के साथ मैंने उनकी फैमिलीज को भी देखा था, उनकी माओं को भी देखा था. आई रिमेम्बर वन पर्टिकुलर केस जहां पर वो लड़की बिकॉज शी वाज मेड टू फील सो अनक्लीन, वो अपने आप को इतनी जोर जोर से रगड़ती थी नहाते हुए कि उसकी पूरा जिस्म उसे लहू लुहान कर लिया था. तो फिर उसकी वालदा उसको नहलाती थी, a grown girl. I remember that one scene where
Yes, we remember that.
yeah,
It's one of my favorite.
my daughter that showered. I literally went through the emotions of a mother कि जब ये पैदा हुई होगी तो माँ इसको नहलाती होगी और आप कितनी डेलिकेटली बच्चे को हैंडल करते हैं, आप कितनी मोहब्बत से करते हैं, आप कितने प्यार से करते हैं कि उसकी आंख में नाक में पानी में नाक में पानी ना चला जाए. And then you have to bathe her right now and you have to see the marks on her body. I am one of those crazy women who live in the moment. And at that moment, I thought she was my daughter.
And it showed, it felt, and the dar, the fear, the anger. You've
Yeah.
portrayed it so amazing.
But the love in that shower scene, because we talked about the
Yeah.
shower scene in our review, we were like, it just shows like the whole embodiment of motherhood, you know, in that scene. क्योंकि उसमें grief भी था, उसमें वो love भी था, उसमें वो nurture और care भी थी. So it was just beautiful. And you just nailed it. You absolutely nailed it.
And I'm grateful to my director, Sayyid Vajat Hussain, and to the DOP, Jameel Alvi, for actually capturing it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
बहुत दफा बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग होता है एज एन एक्टर, क्योंकि आप अपनी जान दे देते हैं किसी सीन में लेकिन वो कैमरे पे ट्रांसलेट नहीं होता. That's painful.
That is yes.
the courtroom scene, which is again one of our favorites, where we see this strength in Shahina, where she answers firmly without hesitation. It surprised many of us, including us. क्योंकि हम समझ रहे थे कि she might buckle under the pressure, and her, the father would be stronger. But it was the opposite. So, what was going through your mind while performing that moment?
I've always believed that women are very strong in the core. They may appear to be the Sinfe Nazuk, but deep down inside they are Sinfe Ahad.
बिल्कुल
And I have seen women rise to the occasion under pressure. तो क्योंकि वो जाहिर है उस रात तक पढ़ी लिखी औरत है, लेकिन शायद बहुत दुनिया नहीं देखी हुई. She's had a very sheltered life.
Yeah.
But her core is very well grounded. And when it comes to her child or it comes to her family, उसने अपने मियाँ का हाल भी देख लिया है. He's been reduced to tears. तो वहां पर वो जो एक सबमिसिव सी औरत होती है ना, वो फिर शेरनी बन के खड़ी हो जाती है. And that is how I felt Shaina would be, कि वो क्यों डरेगी. उसने इतना बड़ा कदम ले लिया है कि वो कोर्ट में आ गई है. And there was a very meaningful scene where when they enter the court for the first time, the husband stops in his tracks. She holds his hand and she takes the first step.
Yeah.
So that was my cue that, okay, Shaina has now built up her strength and now nothing will make her buckle down. So वो emotional नहीं होगी, she will not lose control of her emotions or her anger, क्योंकि उसको पता है कि ये आदमी बहुत तेज है. He's looking for something. So I tried to play it as normally and as naturally as possible. Not bring about too many histrionics in the process. And मुझे लगा कि छोटा सा सीन था, but वो छोटा सा सीन बहुत बड़ा बन गया.
वो बहुत अमेजिंग सीन था.
Yeah, I think that was profound for
ही
her.
जिसमें वो कहती है ना कि इसके लिए कौन प्रिपेयर करता है.
Yes. Yeah, you're like, इसके लिए कौन ये नहीं पढ़ते हैं. Yeah, exactly. And it was a very proud moment, I think, as women.
Yeah. So I have a question. Ki, mashallah, you are an actress, an actor, and independent and strong. But to play a woman who's so silent and restrained, how did you prepare for this?
It's very strange. I never believed I was an actor till I was actually put in front of the camera and told you can act. But I don't have a method. I just go with the character, the way it is written, and the way I think about it. I just let the character take over. I try and put Hina's sensibilities aside. क्योंकि अगर वहां पे हिना होती तो कभी ऐसा ना करती. और मुझे इस पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर में तो बहुत कुछ दोस्तों से गालियां भी पड़ी. How can you play a woman like this? She should be standing up for her daughter. और तुम ऐसी औरत नहीं हो, तुम ऐसा कैरेक्टर कैसे कर सकती हो? I said because मैं वो औरत नहीं हूँ. और वो औरत जो है, she is actually portraying the majority of women.
Exactly.
Yeah.
जी जी.
Agreed.
That is how most mothers will react. The fear, the shame attached to it. I remember that one initial scene where right after the event, जब फोन आता है अपनी भाभी का, वो एक रिश्ते की बात हो रही होती है, and I literally felt that I couldn't speak. I had nothing to say. What do you say in that situation? Nothing. तो वो वो इमोशन इतना ओवरवेलमिंग था कि वो मेरी अपनी आवाज टूट रही थी, मुझसे बोला नहीं जा रहा था. और बाद में सबने मुझे कहा, हाउ डिड यू डू दैट? मैंने कहा, आई डोंट नो. इसकी.
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक मैं इंस्टिंक्टिवली बहुत ज्यादा, यस, आई डू थिंक द कैरेक्टर थ्रू कि उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उसका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड क्या. लोगों को लगता है इसने पोर्ट्रेट नहीं होती, मुझे लगता है ये बहुत अहम होती है टू प्रिपेयर फॉर अ कैरेक्टर, टू अंडरस्टैंड अ कैरेक्टर, कि वो कौन से स्कूल में गई थी, वो किस तरह के बैकग्राउंड से, उसका क्या प्रिविलेज था या नहीं था, उसका दुनिया में क्या एक्सपोजर है. अगर स्कूल भी गई है तो उर्दू मीडियम स्कूल में गई है, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में गई है, गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल में गई है, एक मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल में गई है, या कॉन्वेंट में पढ़ी है. Her mindset will be different.
Yeah.
She will react to things differently. And that works in every character for me as an actor.
That's a beautiful method. Because you said you don't work with a method, but I
But
mean,
this
that's
is the
a beautiful,
method.
beautiful method. Was there a particular scene in case number 9 that stayed with you after filming ended?
The shower scene. That stayed. That stayed and that hurt. I think if I look at the overall, वो जो पूरा एक process था of that one night, वो पूरे का पूरा process, the washing of the clothes,
Hmm.
the shower, the bringing her out into the room, and then both the mother and daughter lying in bed, where they're sort of, spooning into each other.
Hmm.
And the mother is trying to be her comfort, but she can't stop crying.
Hmm.
That whole sequence, I think, was something that was not going away.
Yeah.
And that one horrible, wretched scream,
Hmm.
वो मैंने मस्त कहा दूध बचाया था ऐसे मुझे नहीं पता मुझे कैसे चीखना है इसे मुझे चीख चाहिए मैं कैसी हॉरर शो लगेगा
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
मुझे नहीं पता कि the camera angles were also एक तो no makeup ऊपर से the lighting was such and I think they purposely want me to look older and
Yeah.
more haggard thank you very much
Not at all.
तो मुझे उसमें वो लगा कि that scream came from somewhere deep inside. It was just, it just came. I don't know how, I didn't know what I was going to do. But I think वो इतना अंदर से आया था कि वो उसके बाद निकलने के बाद भी जा नहीं रहा. It was almost like an emotional release at that point, but with all the fear and the horror of what had happened. So that whole sequence was tough.
And do you feel that when you were doing this कि आपकी वजह से और जो मदर्स हैं उनको ये स्ट्रेंथ मिले चाहे वो किसी भी अब्यूज से गुजर रही हो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस कोई भी यू नो टू हैव दैट थॉट कि मेरी वजह से शायद कोई औरत समझ जाए.
I think मैंने जब भी कोई भी काम किया है, even when I used to do my show, I always picked up on issues that people consider taboo, even today. तो मुझे यही हमेशा लगता है कि अगर आपके पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो भी है जैसे आपका है या अगर आप इवन इफ यूर टीचर अगर आप किसी बैंक में भी काम करते हैं आपके पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म है हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू यूज इट टू मेक अ डिफरेंस इन अदर पीपल्स लाइफ
वेरी ट्रू.
so that's something that stays with me if it's a negative character as well in fact it takes a lot more responsibility कि आपका मैसेज गलत था that you are actually guiding people कि ये सही है ये गलत है अब वो एक नेगेटिव अंदाज में आप कर रहे हैं आप एक पॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर के थ्रू कर रहे हैं Shahina was doing a lot of things that she wasn't aware of but they were essentially not wrong but were incorrect तो वो शाइना की जो गलतियां थी फ्रॉम a legal point of view और even a social moral point of view वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ठीक हो रही है So I think that is a message to women out there or to even men out there कि ऐसा भी नहीं होता कि आपसे गलती हो गई तो आप सब कुछ छोड़कर बैठ जाए. You can still strive to, work on it, make it better, salvage what you have. I mean, तभी तो खड़े हो जाओ ना. तभी तो grow a spine.
I think Shahina made amends for those mistakes by saying it in court कि आप होते तो क्या करते. Kind of putting that perspective as well. हमने जब अपना previous review भी किया था, we also said कि as a mother, I think a lot of us would react that way because you still wanted to save Seher from it. So you were like, maybe if I burn the clothes away, she wouldn't really see it and be traumatized again. Maybe that was the thinking behind it. It wasn't कि आप proof को destroy करे because you had no idea about that. It was from that perspective.
There was one particular scene where Shaina tells Seher कि मुझे वो कपड़े देखकर इतनी तकलीफ हो रही थी तो तुम्हें क्या तुम्हारे साथ क्या होता तो वो अपने तौर पर अपनी बेटी को प्रोटेक्ट ही कर रही थी एंड आई थिंक पहला इंस्टिंक्ट माँ का
डर
बाप
होता
का
है.
ही होता है कि आपने उन्हें अब जिस तकलीफ से वो गुजर चुकी है अब मजीद तकलीफ से ना गुजरे
Yeah.
दे आर ऑल्सो माइंडफुल ऑफ द फैक्ट कि ये कोर्ट में जाएगी ये थाने में जाएगी तो जो इसके साथ होगा मैं आपको बताऊं व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप आई वांटेड टू बी अ क्रिमिनल लॉयर एंड हमारे खानदान में lawyers तो बहुत हैं but my father said बेटा not criminal law. So I remember that I was still in college and I said why he said civil law करना है तो कर लो criminal law नहीं करना and you see now we're talking 30 plus years ago and he said बेटा जो कोर्ट में as a lawyer criminal cases में आपके साथ होगा ना it will sometimes be worse than what happens to victim. And I couldn't understand what my father meant at that time. But then I understood. So I said, okay, if I can't be a lawyer, I can be an advocate.
Hmm.
at large.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course, and that you are, mashallah.
Yeah. Maybe in a way it's a maslahat yogi because as an advocate, I think now as a person who is bringing awareness through your craft, which is acting, and I think, it would have been wasted on a criminal lawyer because we wouldn't have gotten Hina Bayat, as this character.
It's interesting because it reminds me what my late husband, may Allah bless him in Jannat,
Ameen.
said to me once. There was a particular case where this young girl from somewhere in interior Sindh managed to tear out a paper from a child's homework book and send me an anonymous letter saying that please save me because she was being physically and sexually abused, tied up at home by her uncle and her cousins and her brothers because of property issues. And उसने मुझे वो खत तो भेज दिया लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता तो खत कहाँ से आया मुझे नहीं it was just delivered to my office and I couldn't find her. I made an announcement on the television that if you're watching please tell me where to reach you. So I remember कि उस particular instance में मैं बहुत upset हो गई थी और मैं रात को रोती रहती थी. And I said, I don't want to do this anymore. I can't handle it. I can't help people. Why am I doing this? So my husband said, fine. If you want to quit, quit. But I never married a quitter. And then he said, for that one person that you could not help, you're going to give up the opportunity or possibility of helping countless more. Those who can get through to you and you can get through to them.
Mm.
So he said, fine, quit. So the next morning I went to work.
Naim, that is something we can
Yeah.
resonate with. The case number 9 is not finished, and we don't want you to give any spoilers. But does it evolve further? Does the for Shahina does it keep evolving?
I think Shahina's kind of peaked.
Peaked. Okay.
She's peaked. She's done what she had to do. अगर आप केस नंबर 9 का ओवरऑल स्क्रिप्ट देखें तो डिफरेंट एपिसोड्स में डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स आर पुशिंग द स्टोरी.
Yes.
कहीं पर कोई कर रहा है तो कहीं पर कोई कर रहा है, कहीं पर रोहित कर रहा है तो कहीं पर मनीषा कर रही है तो कहीं पर किरण कर रही है. तो वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो अपने अंजाम की तरफ आ रहा है. And everyone's contributed in whatever way that they are to move the story. So Shahina speaks in terms of, I think, the story, but yes, she is there.
Yeah.
She is there for Sarah's journey. Even if Sarah is sitting on a show, a live television, the parents, the brother are there. They are with her. The father gives her, a phone call to her. They are there for her. So Sarah knows कि अब जो भी होगा, ये मेरे साथ खड़े हैं.
I think that's the strength.
So that is a strength, which she has also said where she broke down and said कि जो मेरे माँ बाप के साथ हुआ है.
Yeah, I cried during that scene because you can feel that again as a woman, even though you haven't gone through that experience, the empathy, the shared empathy of womanhood, I think you just feel it. But also, I think कि Shahina का जो character है, it's is still an very influential character because even with Rohit kind of changing his mind, he did it because of her, what she said in the end. It's not a jung of like aapke dost or aapko seher ke beech mein. It's about right and wrong. And even though Manisha had been like telling him again and again, it's like she was hitting a wall. But when Shahina explained it to him, I think it clicked. Something clicked in him, and I think that's when he turned.
I would give credit to Shahzad Khanzada because that one line, that one dialogue was so simple but so effective. When she says कि कई दफा गलत फैसला करने से ज्यादा गलत होता है फैसला ना करना. It was a very simple line, but it's the kind of dialogue that stays with you. I still remember it. क्योंकि वो actually हम लोग कई दफा कुछ ना करके भी बहुत गलती कर जाते हैं.
Yeah.
So I think that hit home
Hmm.
with Rohit. And the fact that you have a child.
Yeah.
What would you do?
I think it hit home क्योंकि majority लोग ऐसे ही react करते हैं by not doing anything. When they're seeing something wrong happening, they'll be like, it's not our business. So I
He
don't
chosen to do that.
Hmm.
He had actually effectively chosen to not to do anything because he didn't want to do what was wrong and he couldn't do what was right.
Through you, we'd love you to let Shahzeb Khanzada know one thing. एक तो वो repetition of law क्या है? That was beautifully put in. It was not वो थोपा नहीं है. और दूसरा जो उनका कल का सीन था, जो लास्ट एपिसोड का सीन था, वेयर ही इज डूइंग दिस द शो, आई थिंक व्हाट स्टूड आउट, ही डिड नॉट आस्क हर एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग आपके साथ किस दिन क्या हुआ, आपके साथ कैसे हुआ. इट वाज जस्ट ओके, आप इसको प्रूफ कैसे करेंगी.
Factual.
एंड इट वाज सो ब्यूटिफुली डन, बिकॉज ये बाकी ड्रामों में नहीं होता. वो बाकी ड्रामों में शुरू से शुरू होता है अगर कोई न्यूज कास्टर के पास जा रहा होता है. And the fact he kept calling her a survivor, I really
Yeah.
appreciated that, because हम तो ये इसी तरह बात करते हैं, survivor survivor. लोग नहीं करते, वो victim और पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलते हैं. So that was beautifully done.
And that's very true because writing में ये चीज बहुत important होती है, उसकी execution में भी. So kudos to both the writer and the director, to Shahzeb Khanzada and Wajahat Hussain, क्योंकि दोनों का विजन कनेक्ट कर गया.
बिल्कुल.
और वो चीजें, वो अल्फाज जो हम अपनी मेन स्ट्रीम जबान में बोलने से डरते हैं, और क्योंकि हम वो अल्फाज ही इस्तेमाल नहीं करते तो उनके बारे में बात ही नहीं करते.
हम्म.
तो क्योंकि वो अल्फाज अब आप ले आए हैं सामने और लोग उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब आप लफ्ज रेप कहते हुए घबराते थे, जिनसी तशद्दुद, जिनसी ज्यादती, इट डजंट कन्वे इट, कॉल इट व्हाट इट इज.
हम्म.
उस लफ्ज से आपने वो झिझक क्योंकि हटा दी, तो अब लोग उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं.
हम्म.
आई मीन, आप चोरी को चोरी कहेंगे ना,
Yeah.
आप ये
हम्म.
तरीके के धोखे से जो कुछ उठा
कुछ
लिया,
उठा लिया,
आप
सही
चोरी
बात है.
कहेंगे. तो आई थिंक वो राइटिंग में बहुत खूबसूरती से सामने आया है, और उसकी एग्जीक्यूशन, ये कैरेक्टर्स को अपने वो अल्फाज बहुत सिंपल अंदाज में बयान करने हैं, बहुत ज्यादा उसको ड्रामेटाइज नहीं करना है.
हम्म.
तो ये इट वाज, आई थिंक, a beautiful connection that both these people made, and then we of course followed the lead.
Playing Shahina now, what has it taught you as an actor, as a person?
As an actor, I feel that it's reinforced what I have believed in, that you have to put your sensibilities aside. You have to live the character. क्योंकि इस particular character में मेरे पास dialogue इतना नहीं था. So the emotion had to come from inside. It had to come from how you feel and not what you say. So I think as an actor, बहुत शुरू में मुझे एक ड्रामा मैंने किया था जो बहुत खूबसूरत कैरेक्टर था, कौन तुम हो के चुप. उसमें मेरा बहुत स्टोइक कैरेक्टर, वो कुछ कहती नहीं थी लेकिन वो जाहिर भी नहीं करती,
हम्म.
एंड फिर वो कर गई जो उसको करना था. बट यहाँ पे वो जो कहती नहीं है मगर जाहिर कर रही है, फील कर रही है. So it was coming from another place. So I think it gave me an opportunity to explore the silence, like in Speak Volumes.
Yeah.
I think that's something that we miss in our drama. That's something that I miss, especially because हमारा OST हर चीज पर चढ़ा हुआ होता है.
Yeah.
हर ड्रामे में.
Yeah.
और मैं कहती हूँ, there is a sound of silence. That sound of silence can be very, very meaningful.
And I remember olden dramas में ये होता था. There used to be that silence without that OST. And it makes you think with the character, you
Yeah.
know, and you and fill those gaps जो उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है.
Mm.
To make that connection happen.
Yes, for sure.
कभी आपको मौका मिला तो that particular drama that I mentioned,
Yeah.
तुम हो के चुप, उसकी especially जो second last episode है, it's inside an old tribal graveyard with all men, Baloch tribal men, and one woman inside a grave being buried alive. उसमें आप silence को सुनेंगे, उस scene.
We'll definitely
We
see
need to
that.
watch
We
that,
need to
yeah.
watch. You have this expression जो अभी आप पे नहीं है, obviously, and it is something जिसमें आपकी cheeks lifted होती हैं and there's a stretch. I cannot explain it, but it's only when I've seen you upset in the character, and there is something that happens to your face when you're silent but upset in the drama. Is that deliberate?
I think it's the thought.
It's the thought.
I keep, मतलब अगर silent भी है तो कुछ तो सोच रही है ना.
Hmm.
She's sitting there, she's thinking. When you're thinking, your face does reflect what you
Yeah.
are thinking. आपकी आंखें बोलती हैं.
Hmm.
और मुझे लगता है कि I'm one of those actors, one of those people, human beings. I don't believe in putting things in my face. Yes, it comes from a very sincere place. कि अगर कोई बात कर रहा है तो मैं उसको जो प्रोसेस कर रही हूँ अपने जहन में कि ये क्या कह रहा है, और वो मल्टीपल रीटेक्स में हो रहा है
Hmm.
क्योंकि बार बार वही चीज होती है. तो आपने अपने लॉन्ग शॉट में भी करना है, आपने मास्टर में भी करना है, आपने अपने क्लोज में भी करना है, आपने ट्रू शॉट में भी करना है. So that process is continuous. You have to erase it. For me, I have to erase कि ये बात already हो चुकी है. अब ये मेरे लिए एक नई बात है. तो वो नई बात होगी तो वो एक्सप्रेशन फिर से आएगा. लेकिन I don't deliberately use my face as an actor. But like I said कि शायद क्योंकि मैं कुछ करती नहीं हूँ. I don't have fillers. I don't have Botox. तो उसकी वजह से वो जो हल्का सा भी एक्सप्रेशन है ना वो बहुत
Yes.
क्लियरली और बहुत रॉ आपको नजर आया है.
Hmm.
बिकॉज चेहरे पे बेस भी नहीं है ना.
Yeah.
इट नथिंग इज फिल्टर्ड. तो वो अगर एक इमोशन आता है तो आप खुद भी देखेंगे, आप किसी को भी देखेंगे कि दे फीलिंग अ सर्टेन वे, तो वो उनकी ये वेन्स भी रिएक्ट
Yes.
करती है,
Yes.
मसल्स भी रिएक्ट करते हैं. तो वो जो एक अनप्लेजेंट एक्सप्रेशन आता है वो मेरे डायरेक्टर मुझे हमेशा छेड़ते हैं इस बात पे कि आई लव यू एज एन एक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन बट हिना ऑफ कैमरा यू पैथेटिक. क्योंकि थोड़े चेहरे पे आ जाता है.
Wow.
सो वो स्पॉन्टेनिटी है जो आई ट्राई एंड कीप इन माय सीन्स कि मैं जो भी महसूस कर रही हूँ वो नजर आना चाहिए.
Actually, so this is off topic of case number 9, but I saw that happen in Khai, especially when you had lost your mind. The way that you would laugh and things like that. And it's a complete contrast to case number 9, Jabra about Sulji, when you're very quiet and there you're like, oh my God, and you're laughing hysterically. I don't know what my question is, but I think it's just appreciation of the range
Of work that
what
you're
you're
doing,
doing.
Asha.
Yeah, and just the feeling.
Sai Arjuni had a beautiful arc for the character because
Yeah.
she was a fiery woman. You know, she picked up the gun. If you can't do it, I will do it. And वो ताना भी देती है मियाँ कि तुमसे नहीं होगा. You know, I can do it. But when she breaks down, then it's rock bottom. And then when you're rock bottom, there's nothing. I felt that as a woman who's lost her mind, she had no fear.
Mm.
That is so true.
So that's how I thought she would play it. She has no fear. She can say whatever she wants to, whatever she thinks. And deep down inside, she wants Janar Khan to suffer. तो इसीलिए बार बार कहती है कि इसका चिनार का बारी कब आएगा. So Basil actually told me कहते बड़ा दिल से आ रही थी.
Yeah. And then, like, how do you do that? Because you're also doing like a different accent at the same time.
It's amazing.
it's amazing.
Mashallah, amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
No. Keep doing the amazing work you're doing and जिस तरह से आप advocate करिए for women, and that was the main reason why we wanted you.
Thank you very, very much. It was a pleasure because I do follow you and see क्या आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या reviews कर रहे हैं. It's always very refreshing and also very insightful as an actor. क्योंकि you also need to know ना क्या सही है क्या गलत है क्या ठीक नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि आप लोगों की नजर से तो हम नहीं देख पाते. We are involved. I actually follow Qissa with Shamin and Sabah क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि वो जो viewer insight हमें मिलती है of people who actually go through the layers that you try and create in a character or in a story. Very few people actually are able to read between the lines. And that's what Shamin and Sabah do. And that's why it makes Qissa very special to me as an actor, as a professional, and also as a viewer.
Thank you so much. This was very kind of you.
We have been so intentional because we started as a podcast for women. And so when we started doing drama reviews, it wasn't like कि चलो करते हैं because it's trending. It was because we were like, this is a story जिस पे कुछ important हो रहा है and we want to talk about the layers and we want to talk about the characters. So we were very intentional with our reviews.
कि ऐसा कोई रिव्यू होता है जो वाकई इंसाइटफुल होता है. वरना लोग सेल्फ प्रोफेस्ड क्रिटिक्स हैं लेकिन आई डोंट नो क्या क्रिटिक कर रहे होते हैं, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता.
अल्लाह करे कि इस ड्रामे की वजह से कोई एक औरत भी या दो औरतें भी आके बाहर अपना केस दिखाएं.
Recently, एक और पाकिज़ा का लॉन्च था तो barrister Ali Zafar was there. And he said that when this anti-rape law came in, he was instrumental in that. तो वो कहने लगे कि law बनने के बाद भी I used to call up the IGs of every station every fortnight to find out कि क्या implement हो रहा है और नहीं हो रहा था. क्योंकि law तो बन गया था, लोगों को पता नहीं था. Even law enforcement के लोगों को पता नहीं था. Or he said it took one case number 9 and now people are questioning the law. Now we are getting reports कि थानों में भी लोग complainancy कह रहे हैं कि नहीं ये तो सही नहीं है, कानून में तो ऐसा नहीं है, कानून में तो ये है. So kahin na kahin, it's going to have an effect and an impact.
I think it
Which is
already
why I feel our drama has to be used
Yeah.
in a more meaningful manner.
I think that's the power of media. That's the power of art and acting. Yeah. So we're so happy, Hina, that you gave us this in-depth interview and in-depth insight on your character and your method as an actor. And we're so grateful that
Thank you so
gave us your
much.
time.
बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much. And inshallah, looking forward to more reviews coming from you.
इंशाल्लाह, इंशाल्लाह,
We'll
इंशाल्लाह.
keep going.
ख्याल रखिएगा. दाफिज, अल्लाह हाफिज, दाफिज.